Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve the LeetCode question number 876, the middle of the linked list. In this question, uh, they give us the head node and we have to find the middle node and print the middle node and after nodes. So first we create a pointer and give name as pen and equals to head. Then we create a variable size equals to 0. First, we calculate the size of the linked list and divide in half. So we write a while loop and give condition temp not equals to null. If the condition satisfies, the temp equals to temp max. Then we increase the size. After that, we create a new variable named mid and mid equals to size divided by 2. Then we assign temp equals to head. After that, we write a for loop from int I equals to 0 to I less than mid I plus plus. Temp equals to temp next. After that, we return the temp and run this code. So that's it. Thank you.